It is almost Christmas season and New Year is upon us. Let me introduce you to the GlobaLink LED Christmas lights. It is really nice, so let's go ahead and unbox and see what comes in the packaging. Of course, because it's Christmas season and it's a season of love, I'll be unboxing this with my little baby. So, the box is pretty simple and straightforward when it comes to the packaging. You get general information on the box about the light and what it does and the number of lights contains. Actually contains 349 LED lights, which is really good, and it contains a 30 centimeter topper star, which is what you hang on top of your Christmas tree or on top of your curtains or wherever you hang this stuff. At the back, you see more information about the GlobaLink LED lights. You can see my daughter's little hands over there. It's Christmas season. She's gonna unbox with me today and set the slide up. So in the box, the packaging is pretty straightforward and the contents are very direct to access. No forced packaging, no necessary boxing here and there with the GlobaLink LED Christmas lights. So first is, you see the remote controller. Yeah, my daughter's guys just gonna take that. And then we see the Christmas light itself. It contains 9 strings of light with a star topper, and then you see some other accessories, and then you see some zip ties, and then you see the user manual. That is all you generally see in the packaging, and it's just direct and straightforward. So let's go ahead and actually set this up in my living room and see what it looks like. Of course, I've not gotten the Christmas tree at the time of this recording, so I'm going to set it up on the curtain and see what that looks like. So this is the plug which goes into the power, which is pretty decently long, and the starter power, I would use a string to pull it up on my curtain rods. So let's go set that up real fast. Remember, I'll drop the link to purchase this in the video description and also as a pinned comment in case you need to check it out and get one for yourself, your family, and your friends this season. We're almost done setting up the lights. It just requires some pinnings here and there, setting up the lights to go around. 9 LEDs is quite a lot to go through, so I'm just gonna do some ad hoc work. Well, I'm not using the zip ties in this case because I still plan to pull this down and put this on the real Christmas tree and actually set it up outdoors when we finally move. So I'm gonna use the coordinates for the purpose of this review video. And the LED light is pretty straightforward. It doesn't consume so much power. I think it's just 24 watts as I recall. Just let me find the information on the box. But I think that's the power rating, so it doesn't consume so much power. And it's also waterproof. It means you can put this outdoors during this season. And the lights are on. There are different modes on the remote controller: 6-hour timer, there's the 18-hour timer, there's the sleep mode, and all sort of things you can really do with the GlobaLink LED Christmas light with the star topper. It's really nice and good, and I hope you really enjoy using this also for yourself. My daughter is really loving it, so I'm happy that Content really sent this out during the season to show love. Remember, I'll put the link to purchase this in the video description and also as a pinned comment, so be sure to check it out in case you really want to get one of this. Remember, it's an affiliate link. I'll get a little bit of rebate when you purchase, and that is you supporting the channel basically. So of course, do check it out, and remember to like this video and share with your friends and family so they can see videos like this. And also importantly, if you subscribe, you get more videos just like this from me. Until I come your way again with another unboxing and reviewing video, I say stay safe and goodbye.